We've always been told the universe kicked off with one spectacular event, the Big Bang. For decades, that's been the bedrock of cosmology. It's a story of a single creation that ballooned into everything we see, know, and are. But what if that's only half the story? What if the most powerful telescope we've ever built didn't just show us the beginning of our universe, but also the first tantalizing hint of another? Now, before you picture NASA holding a press conference about parallel worlds, let's be clear. The agency hasn't issued a warning that we're living in a diverse, but the James Webb telescope is peering back to the dawn of time, and its findings are sending shockwaves through the scientific community. The data is so puzzling, it's forcing astronomers to seriously consider a shocking possibility that our universe might exist inside a black hole with another reality lying just beyond. This isn't just science fiction anymore. This is a real puzzle emerging from real observation, and the implications could rewrite physics as we know it. The standard model of cosmology is beautifully simple. It all starts 13.8 billion years ago from an infinitely hot, dense point. An explosive expansion faster than the speed of light created space and time. As the cosmos cooled, gravity became the master architect, slowly pulling together gas and dust to form the first stars and, eventually, the galaxies we see today. The key word here is slowly. Building a universe, according to our models, has a cosmic speed limit. But Webb, with its unparalleled golden eye, has found something that seems to have broken that speed limit. It's looking into the cosmic dawn, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, an era where we expected to find only small, baby galaxies. Instead, it found giants. In late 2024, astronomers announced the discovery of several ancient galaxies that are so massive, they've been nicknamed universe breakers by the media. These aren't just a couple of oddballs. They are a population of galaxies that are shockingly mature for their age. Some are already as massive as our own Milky Way. But our galaxy had over 13 billion years to grow. Finding these cosmic titans in the universe's nursery is like finding a fully grown redwood tree that sprouted from a seed only a week ago. It just doesn't fit the timeline. The discovery was so unexpected that some astronomers have said it poses a real conundrum for our understanding of how the first galaxies formed. As if impossibly large galaxies weren't enough, a more recent discovery added another layer of profound mystery. When astronomers used Webb to analyze a sample of 263 spiral galaxies in the deep universe, they were testing a basic assumption of cosmology, that the universe is isotropic, meaning it looks the same in all directions with no special spin or axis. You'd expect the spin of galaxies to be random, about 50% spinning one way and 50% the other. But that's not what one study found. The data, published in 2025, revealed a significant, baffling imbalance. Roughly 2/3 of the observed galaxies appeared to be spinning clockwise, while only 1/3 spun counterclockwise. Now, it's important to know this is a preliminary finding from one team, and it's still controversial. But the odds of this happening by pure chance are incredibly low. If this holds up, it's a direct challenge to the idea that the universe is fundamentally random at the largest scales. It's a hint that the cosmos itself might have a large-scale structure, an inherent spin imprinted on it from the very beginning. The standard Big Bang model has no answer for this. It describes an explosion outward, not a rotation. So to explain this anomaly, some scientists are dusting off a theory that was once considered to be on the very fringes of physics. What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but was instead the result of an event in a much larger, older universe? This is the core idea behind a mind-bending concept known as black hole cosmology. The theory proposes that our entire observable universe exists inside the event horizon of a black hole. Here's the gist. In a higher dimensional parent universe, a massive star collapses into a black hole. Instead of crushing into an infinitely dense point, a singularity, some physicists theorize that the matter bounces. This cosmic bounce is so powerful that it expands outward, creating a brand new, self-contained universe on the other side of the black hole. From our point of view, this bounce was the Big Bang. We are living in the aftermath, forever cut off from the parent universe that birthed us. This isn't just a wild guess. It's an idea that's been explored for decades because it potentially solves some other big problems in cosmology. And Webb's strange new data is breathing new life into it. If our universe was born from a spinning black hole, it might have inherited that spin. This could provide a physical reason for the shocking imbalance in galaxy spins that Webb may have observed. It also might help explain the universe breakers. If our universe inherited structure from its parent, massive galaxies could have formed much faster than our models allow.
The evidence so far has been indirect, puzzles and imbalances that point toward a radical new story. But in 2025, Webb may have captured a glimpse of a related process in action. Astronomers discovered an object so strange they nicknamed it the Infinity Galaxy. This system, about 8.3 billion light-years away, appears to be two galaxies colliding head-on, their structures warped into the shape of an infinity symbol. But the real shock was what lay between them. Each galaxy has its own supermassive black hole at its core, as you'd expect. But Webb detected a third active supermassive black hole, one with the mass of 1 million suns that wasn't inside either galaxy. It was sitting in the vast cloud of turbulent gas right in the middle of the collision. This is extraordinary. Scientists believe this could be the first observational evidence of a direct collapse black hole. A black hole that didn't form from a dying star, but was born directly from a vast collapsing cloud of gas. It's a mechanism for creating black holes that has long been theorized, but never seen before. And here's where it gets really wild. Some scientists are now proposing that what we're seeing in the Infinity Galaxy could be a small-scale version of what created our own cosmos. Could the collapse of an enormous gas cloud in a parent universe be the very mechanism that sparks a new baby universe? The Infinity Galaxy might just be showing us how a universe seed gets planted. So, what does it all mean? If this theory is on the right track, then every star, every planet, our entire reality is contained within the event horizon of a black hole. The edge of our universe isn't a wall, but a point of no return. This leads to a truly profound and terrifying question. What exists on the outside? The answer would be a parent universe, a higher dimensional cosmos, likely far older and vaster than our own, with its own physical laws, stars, and black holes, each one a potential gateway to another universe like ours. This is no longer just a fun sci-fi trope. It's a plausible scenario that some scientists are using to explain the puzzling data Webb is sending back. We could be living in just one bubble in a cosmic foam of countless other universes. The terrifying part of this isn't some monster or impending doom. It's the sheer, crushing scale of the idea. It redefines our place in existence. Our Big Bang might not have been a unique moment of creation, but a common, repeating event. Our entire cosmos could just be a single particle in a much grander, unseen reality. It's a perspective shift so enormous that it forces us to question the very nature of existence. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to answer our questions about the origin of the universe. Instead, it seems to have broken the questions themselves. The unexpectedly massive galaxies, the potential spin of the cosmos, and the bizarre infinity galaxy are all pieces of a puzzle that don't quite fit in the neat box of the standard Big Bang theory. Again, to be perfectly clear, NASA has not confirmed that our universe is inside a black hole or that a parent universe exists. These are speculative theories being debated on the absolute frontiers of cosmology by scientists trying to make sense of data that is challenging everything we thought we knew. What is certain is that we've entered a new era of discovery. The comfortable story of our universe is being rewritten in real time. Webb's findings haven't given us a final answer. Instead, they've opened a door to possibilities we once thought were pure imagination. And they leave us with the most profound question of all. Are we living in the only universe? Or are we just one of an infinite number of worlds, each born from the heart of a black hole? What do you think? Are these just anomalies that will eventually be solved by our current models? Or is Webb showing us the first real evidence that we're part of something much, much bigger? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.